This is a quick video to show you guys if you're getting stuck with the MailChimp asking you to upgrade your free membership when you try to do the code your own. So if you're getting stuck at a point you're in MailChimp, you say I want to create a template, and then you hit code your own and then nothing happens because it says I want you to upgrade. This is a way to kind of get around that that little snafu, so we don't have to pay for anything for this class. If you want to upgrade when later on in your life or wherever, go for it, but for this class we don't need to. So I'm going to show you how to get around that. So first things first, I have my eBlast coded. I've gone ahead and already uploaded all my images into MailChimp and then replaced them just as you would, so you can see everything. Here is the gallery in MailChimp. Then ahead of time, I've gone into Foundation for email and I've done the inliner. So here's that code with that MailChimp images, my CSS, and then I'm going to say copy. I ran the inline. I'm going to hit copy to clipboard. Great. And then I'm going to jump back in and I'll go into that create a template, but instead of hitting code your own, I'm going to just grab a basic layout, and I'm going to grab this basic one column layout because I'm not going to do anything with what's already preloaded for me. I'm just going to do my own. So I'm going to click on basic layout. Great. In here you'll see you have a box that says code. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this code box in, and that will give me a code editor. I'm going to delete what it comes with. That, and then paste in that code, and since I have that all set up already, that's showing up nicely. Nice. Looks very nice. Looks really good. Okay. Check and make sure everything's cool. You may get some errors, and you may have to additionally edit this code once it's in MailChimp. I see that I've got a problem here with this Instagram logo getting really, really huge. So I'm going to scroll down in my code. I understand that this code is messy as anything, but it is still readable. It is still editable. So I'm going to find towards the bottom that Instagram logo. This is where your alt tags come in so handy because I'm just going to look for those alt tags where it would say Instagram logo. To find it, there's the image. And I see I've got my margins. I'm going to change this max width right there instead of being 100% because I think that's 100% size of that. I'm going to say 50 pixels. There we go. And that made that smaller. I'm also going to give it some padding. I got 15 pixels of padding at the top. And you can size this window if it's too small for you to see. Make it a little wider so it's easier to read. So padding, bottom, 15 pixels. There we go, and then that should fix some of that spacing. Hit save and close, and then that should fix some of the spacing right there. That looks good. Great. So I brought in this whole coded eBlast. I just need to delete what came preloaded in this template, so I'm just going to hover over these blocks. I'm going to hit the trash can. Yes, please delete it, and delete that too. You can also delete this block. There we go. I'm going to leave this just because that'll put that in on a free document. Then I can hit save and exit. I can preview. Always a good idea to preview and make sure everything looks good. All right, so I've fixed a couple of the issues just within the code. Takes a little bit to look through because you've seen the code. It's a little bit of editing. So my last step then would be as normal. After I check it in preview mode, I'm just going to send a test email. Go ahead and send the test to yourself. So whatever your email address is, and then just hit send the test. And your test email will be sent. Double check that your emails are going through and are previewing correctly. But that's how you get a custom code into your MailChimp template.